Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this very easy but efficient skulk white and it's like not motion censored but sound censored. You can make noise and it'll go off. You'll need 4 mangrove trapdoors, 4 mud brick stairs, 1 spruce trapdoor, 1 skulk sensor, and 1 whetstone ramp. So, get to the video. Place 1 of these skulk sensors and then surround it in mud bricks, just like this. And then put a western lamp. Then on the sides, put mangrove trapdoors, and then on the top, put a spruce trapdoor. That's all. Bye, and I hope you have a nice day.